In this video, I will show you how to sort through and display pre-made messages that are available on our mini messenger. The first thing you need to be familiar with is the power button, the on-off button, the up and down arrow keys, and the enter button. Hold down the power button on the remote control to turn on the controller. When you turn on the controller, you should see the initial message that pops up. For example, this one in this tutorial is recording work zone. To see other pre-made messages, simply use the up and down arrow keys to scroll through the different choices. Once you find an option you like, simply hit the enter button until it says send OK. If you ever need to turn the mini messenger off, simply hit the on-off button. To turn it back on, simply do the same thing, hit the on-off button again. You'll notice on the controller that there is either an X or a check mark. If there is an X, that means the mini messenger is off, and if there is a check, that means the mini messenger is on. Here are some, but not all, other examples that are already pre-programmed messages that you can use. Once you find a message that you like, simply hold down the power button until the controller goes off. Note that this will only turn the mini messenger controller off and not the actual mini messenger board. Thanks for watching, and stay up to date with us by following our Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube.